So majority of these outfits are from Shein Kids. Thank you to Shein Kids for sponsoring this portion of the video. And as you guys know, Milani loves a good outfit. She loves to get dressed. So I felt like this would be the perfect combination of her showing her outfits, and also because she can't do her outfit check that she used to do back in the day with her dad, I felt like this was a perfect alternate. So she can get dressed up, she can get cute, she can be on camera, and she can show her personality and also show her outfits. So with that being said, I'm gonna let her explain some of her outfits. Okay, so tell me about your outfit.
My outfit looks pretty.
Okay.
I like the bows on it. And I also like these fingers.
So this is the last outfit. Tell me about your outfit.
I like the strawberry on it. And I like these parts.
The ruffles.
Yeah.
That's ruffles.
What's ruffles?
That's on the shorts. You like ruffles, and those are actually shorts.
Yeah. I really like these shorts.
Okay.
And the shirt also has some ruffles on here too. Every ruffles.
Alright, this is the end of the video.
Bye bye.
So I bought some hair stuff from Amazon that I want to share with you guys. Don't wash my hair, it needs to be washed, it needs to be styled. So my last video that I did was my surgery and self-care vlog video, and going through those pictures and seeing my natural hair really inspired me to wear my natural hair out. I've been doing a lot of styling, protective style, weaves, wigs, crochets, and seeing those pictures really inspired me to start wearing my natural hair out again. Seeing those pictures really showed me how free I was in my natural hair and how beautiful I look with my natural hair. I'm going to be on a hair growth journey. Normally I am a cutter or a colorer. I'm a person that if I get bored with my hair, once I hit collarbone level, I'm cutting it, or if I get bored, I'm coloring it. And this time around, I think this has been the longest my hair has been in a very long time. So I bought some stuff because I want to grow out my hair, and I also want to grow out Milani's hair. So I got some stuff on Amazon. First things first, I saw these small little Garnier Whole Blends Treasure shampoo and conditioner. I bought these because I thought these was gonna be full size, and they were $1.97. The joke's on me, these are travel sizes. But I used this in my half wig, and it literally melted the half wig back to life. So I'm probably, when this is finished, going to buy the bigger bottle for my wigs and weaves and stuff like that. I actually like this a lot. The L'Oreal Paris whatever it's called, the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner for dehydrated dry hair. Everybody on TikTok has been hyping this up and saying it's a dupe for another brand. I'll put a picture up here, but the other brand is a little bit more expensive. I want to try these out first before I invest in the more expensive one. Honestly, I normally use TGIN hydrating shampoo and conditioner and it's been working great, but I want to try something new, so I picked these up. Next thing I got is some good old Blue Magic. I got some jojoba oil. I got some, this is the Super Grow Max Strength Burner Brothers grease. And then I got the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. I also have these laying around all over the house. They smell very good, the Indian hemp. And I have some sulfur treatment. This is the sulfur treatment right here. And then a quick little random item. I got a Curve Life nail glue because everybody on TikTok hype this up and say it's the best press on and it's semi-solid and your nails are not gonna go anywhere. I use the Beauty Secrets nail glue on press-ons and they last me a week. I'm a mom. I'm always washing dishes. I'm always bathing kids. I'm always hand washing something. Like, I'm always in water, so these glue do not last. But I'm gonna try this glue and tell you guys if it works. Because especially now, I'm a new mom, I can't get my nails done the way I want them to get done. I have a lot of press-ons and I'm gonna see if this works. I've been doing actually a lot of builder hard gel on my nails, and it's been lasting like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then I take them off and redo them. But those have been taking a long time, and now that Malaya is past 3 months, her wake windows are a lot more consistent and a lot more longer, so I haven't been having the time to do any of that stuff. So I'm gonna mix all of this stuff together and make a little hair concoction, and yeah, give me a minute. I gotta clean out this container that I'm gonna use. This is an old style Factor edge gel. I do not recommend this gel. It flakes, it's dry. I just washed it out, what was left in there. I'm gonna use some coconut oil. Now I'm gonna use some Blue Magic. One thing I realized with doing Milani's hair, and I don't know if it's because I blow dry her hair, is because her scalp is always dry. Always. It's never not dry. I'm gonna use some sulfurate. This is in a squeeze tube, so you can just squeeze it in there. I don't want any of it wasting, so yeah. Now this is the Burner Brothers Maximum Strength Super Grow. I'm gonna put a nice, this actually smells really good. Then I'm gonna use this Indian hemp. This also smells really great. This is from the dollar store. Next thing I'm gonna use is this hair fertilizer. This look old as hell, but whatever. Next, I'm gonna go in with my jojoba oil. This is what I'm gonna use to like seal in the moisture in both mine's and Milani's hair. This is what I'm gonna use to part the hair. I've stopped using like stuff like to braid hair because I normally use like braiding gel. And I've stopped using those on Milani's hair. So this is the mixture, my little concoction. I'll update you guys in a few months and tell you how it does. So I use my little concoction in my hair, and some of it is white. I must have used too much, but we'll see how it turns out. So this is how the hair looks. It actually looks good. I like it.
Good morning. So I'm gonna get my life together, show you guys some exercises I do with the baby and her floor time routine / tummy time, and then I'm gonna make a cold salad. So this room is a mess, don't judge me.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. A disaster.
With a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it...
So all I'm doing here is doing some exercises. I don't really know if these are PT or OT or a mixture, but I know this strengthens her core, and this is very much sped up. I'm not doing this in real time. It's a sped up version. and I'll put all the name of the exercises on the screen. And this is just going to strengthen her legs so she can crawl, and strengthen her arms. And as you guys can see, I'm doing these exercises while still playing with her and interacting with her, because it makes it a lot easier and more enjoyable. And I also count each sessions that I'm doing. This one is to make sure her left side and her right side of her brain connect. So I'm just touching her legs on her fingers on the opposite side of her body, and then I'm just gonna practice rolling her over to her side and strengthen her legs again, and making sure she knows how to roll over. She is 4 months old, and she is rolling over on her own now, so I feel like these exercises definitely played a big part. And while she's preoccupied with her little things on her arms, I'm gonna get up and start cooking. If you are a mom, you going to have to be a person that can multitask. So while she's preoccupied with the stuff on her arm, I'm just gonna watch her a little bit and make sure she's happy and playing. Then I'm gonna go in and start my summer salad. These are the stuff that I use. I use 2 different types of cheese, tomatoes, yellow and green peppers, and I use some tricolor. And all I'm going to do is dice up all my vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables you like. These are the ones that I like, and these are the ones that I'm going to use. I also use cucumber in Kai's salad because he likes cucumber. And later on you'll see that I do 2 different versions because my son does not like cheese. Point, I'm just moving the ball around to help her with her vision and her line of sight. And then once she's comfortable with that, I'm gonna spin her over and let her do some tummy time and put some of her toys all over this mat so she can try to crawl and get to them and play with them. And I'll come back from time to time and help her get to different toys if I feel like she's tired of one specific toy. And that's how I'm able to get stuff done while multitasking and making sure that she have tummy time. And one of the main ingredients is this Italian dressing. I'm just going to make sure that the pasta is evenly coated with this Italian dressing, and I'm also going to add some salt, but everything else is self-explanatory. I mix it all. You can use whatever pasta you like. Some people use long pasta, but this is my favorite. And you can even add shrimp to this and make it a full meal. And then I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for a few hours. If you can let it sit overnight, that will make it even better. So this is how the salad looks. It tastes absolutely amazing. I have no complaints. I make this all the time during spring and summer. The kids absolutely love it. I actually made another bowl just for Kai, because Kai do not eat cheese. Kai don't eat American cheese. He only eats Jamaican cheese. So I made him his own bowl of summer salad that doesn't have any cheese. So yesterday was a great day. We ended the day with chilling in the pool. Today I have business to handle. I have to go to my school and go to the financial aid office. Every single semester I have to go to the financial aid office. If I could blow up my school's financial aid office and not go to jail, I would. That's how tired of going to that office I am at this point. So I have on my Christopher John Rush's top. I'm trying to find ways to style these tees because these crop tees are not my thing, but I feel like they're good. So yeah, and my lips are a chopped mess, but anyways, let's go. So I'm back from my school. I sorted out all the financial aid issues and I went to go get some, babe got some Visa gift card and I got some dollar store thank you. I don't remember what these are called. Brain fart. I'm a new mom. I have mom brain. But I'm going to write a cute little note, sign them, let babe sign them, and then I'm gonna give them to Kai and Malani's teacher because it's Teachers Week, Nurses Week, and it's also Mother's Day. Why all the women professions are on the same week is crazy to me. Like, we can't have another week in another month. There's 12 months in a year. You can't split up Teachers Week, Nurses Week, and Mother's Day in a different month. Everything that pertains to women and women dominated fields is in one month. Like, anyways, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And then Milani has dance. I may take you along with me to dance because I want some oatmeal cookies from 7-Eleven. I'm obsessed with 7-Eleven oatmeal cookies, and especially like how I'm breastfeeding. I'll eat 6 of those, okay? And it boosts my milk supply so good. So I'm gonna probably go look for oatmeal cookies today after Milani's dance class. They said it was supposed to be 93 degrees today. Outside look like it's going to rain. But I'm gonna stop running my mouth. So as a mom of 3, I'm really trying this time around to make sure I don't lose my pink, I don't lose my spark, I do not lose me. So if I have to throw on a half a wig, I'll do that. If I have to put on my press-on nails, I'll do that. Whatever I have to do to make sure I feel like myself and feel like a normal human being, and spend some time on myself also, because self-care is super important, I will do it. So this time around I'm putting on this half wig. This half wig is from OQ Hair, and this is my second unit from OQ Hair, and I'll talk about how I feel about the unit later. But I'm just doing my hair. I'm adding some mousse. Well, I'm adding some water and some mousse, and then I'm gonna add some gel, and then I'm gonna style this hair. But a majority of my vlogs, you guys will see me do my hair or do something for myself, for the specific reason that I'm trying to maintain who I am outside of motherhood and spend some time for myself, by myself, loving on myself and doing me.
So this is how the hair looks. I don't like the hair. I don't recommend. The ends of this hair is super thin, super see-through, and then the top is big and fluffy. I don't know. I don't love the hair. I had to trim some of it. I'm gonna have to trim it again, but it will have to do at this point. I went in the pool yesterday and kind of messed up my hair or whatever. And don't mind the towels. The kids go in the pool yesterday and whatever. But yeah, this is how it looks.
And I'm sure I forgot to end this video, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.